Real life English. Yes. In this video you will see real life English when you are at outside, and don't think that what people will think about you when you are speaking English publicly. Okay? And the most important thing is don't think that you can't do. Just think that you can do everything. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video.
Hi guys, this is Pooja and you must be thinking that where I am right now. So I'll tell you that where I am. I am at the station because I come to college every day and sometimes I come by bus, sometimes I come by train. So today I come by train and right now I'm at the station and wait, I'll show you the station. Look guys, it's so crowded here. As you can see, there are so many people, they are waiting for train to go to job, to go somewhere and all. And you know, in station we all will see every time crowd. So as you can see, it's so crowded here. And today I come by train because I missed my bus, I couldn't catch that. So I today come by train.
Number 7 at 8:35.
There are so many people, they are watching me that what I am doing, and to be very honest I'm feeling very shy, but yeah, I'm improving and I decided that today I will speak publicly because I just want to improve my confidence, and I'm a very introvert person. You know, right now so many people are literally staring at me, literally staring. They are thinking that what I'm doing and why I'm speaking and all. But I'm not, I'm really not paying attention to all those things. And right now I'm just sitting at the seat here and I'm making video and so many people are literally staring. And I decided today that I will, in anyhow, I will make today video, and because of that I'm making it. Okay. So I'm just going to room here for some time. So let's go. Because it's very important to like a room around publicly because there are so many people, they are shy of speaking English publicly. Okay, so right now I'm just climbing the stairs. I'll show you the stairs. Okay, so I'm just climbing the stairs and literally I'm feeling very shy. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शर्म आ रही है. I'm telling you, literally I'm feeling very shy, but I'm making it. Okay, so I'll show you. Just okay. So right now I'm just trying to speak English publicly without fear. Okay. And right now so many people are staring at me. Look. It's time to get off. It's very tough for me to speak English publicly without fear, without thinking that what people will think about me if I say this. So yeah, it is the station, and the station name I forget to tell you all that what is the name of the station. That it's a Thane station, by the way. Okay, those who are from Thane, they will know. Let me cross the road first.
While crossing the road, I was just thinking that for a student just to come a college, it's not easy because they have to travel so much.
So I just come from the station and I'm just going to the college because you know, for coming college I had to catch the train or to catch a bus. And today I come by train, so I thought that I should share that with you. So because of that I record video. Okay, and I'm telling you, if you really want to improve your English, then first of all you will have to speak publicly. Because I'm telling you that when I started doing this publicly, my my confidence is I can't even tell you. I feel very shy while doing all these things, but I'm just trying to improve. Okay, so if you also want to do the same thing, so please do this. Okay, I'm telling this by my experience. Okay, look, there is a shops of food. There's a vada pav, samosa, and so many things to eat. But it's not a time to eat. It's in the morning. Yeah, it's 8 a.m. in the morning. So it's not a time to eat something, to have a breakfast and all. Okay. So I'm not going to have anything. By the way, it is a road from where I go to college every day. And look, there are so many rickshaws here. Look, I'll show you the road. This is the road of Thane, and it's a place where I come daily for going to college. Okay, there are so many shops around here. There are so many food stalls are also there, but they are on other side, not here. Okay, so it is a road from where I come every day. आज मैंने लिटरली आज मैं तय नहीं करके आई थी कि कुछ भी कर लूँ, पर मैं आज वीडियो बना के ही आऊँ. एंड टुडे आई कांट इवन बिलीव दैट आई डिड एंड आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. एंड इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर मी, बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली आई एम फीलिंग वेरी शाई while doing all these things, because the way people are looking at me, it's very hilarious. So I really don't know that how to behave and all, how to do. But yeah, I am doing, and let's see. And it is all, whatever that I am doing, it's only for you all. Okay? And I am telling you this also, that don't think that what people will think about you, that what are you doing. Okay? And this is very important. Because right now I am speaking, and so many people are looking at me, and I am really don't even thinking about that what they will think. Okay? So if you also want to do something publicly and you are just thinking that I can't do because people are not looking in the way that I thought, so it is not a right thing that you are doing. Okay? So you should you should always get motivated by doing hard things every day. Okay? What people will think, don't think about that. Okay? मैं सोच रही थी कि थोड़ा चाय पी. I'm wondering to take a cup of tea so that I will feel energetic when the lecture is on. Because in the morning I feel very sleepy. I'm a very sleepy person. So let's have some tea. Okay, so I just thought that I should go to the tea stall to get a tea. So let's go to the tea stall. Okay, I'm just going to this tea stall and it's just in front of me. I'm just walking to the tea stall. Okay, so let's have some tea. So this is the tea which I get to feel fresh. So let's have some tea.
While drinking tea, I was planning my day in my head. Yes, that I should make to-do list, that what should I do today, because every day matters. We should not waste any single day. To be very honestly, I'm saying I was feeling very shy while doing all those things. Okay, so it is not easy to do for me, so it was not easy. But I did for you all. So see, this is the road where I was drinking tea, and there are so many people. They are also having tea, and yeah, it's around 8 a.m. in the morning, and I have finished my tea.
Okay, so after having tea, I'm feeling fresh. बिकॉज जब लेक्चर स्टार्ट होता है ना, तो अगर हम सो गए ना तो फिर हमारी तो बात ही लग जाएगी, क्योंकि लेक्चर जब चालू होता है ना, तब अगर हम कुछ और काम कर रहे होते तो हमारे टीचर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा डांटते हैं। तो इसीलिए मैं चाय पीती हूँ रोज़, और ये मेरा डेली रूटीन है। जब भी मैं कॉलेज आती हूँ ना, तो तब मैं चाय पीती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आती है। ओके, क्योंकि सुबह सुबह उठ के इतना धक्का मुक्की ट्रेन से, बस से, मुझसे तो नहीं होता, तो इसलिए मैं चाय पीती हूँ, सो दैट आई विल फील फ्रेश while attending lecture, and I will focus on the lecture rather than sleeping. So it is the way. Where is my college? I am just going to the college, and here is my college. I'll show you. Okay. So this is the way. This is the road from where I come daily, and I don't know why are you there looking at me, and I just feel पता नहीं आ रहा है लोग मुझे ऐसे क्यों देख रहे हैं, जैसे मैं क्या ही कर रही हूँ. Okay, so I reached to my college. I'll show you where is my college.
Okay, so this is my college, and it's very tall building. So this is the gate of my college, and I'm just entering in the college. There is a watchman also inside that, and here is a notice on the gate, and I'm just entering in the college.
Just enter to the college. There are two ways to go. The first is here, and the second one is where I go. This one is second. सच में एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट को कितना स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है कॉलेज आने के लिए, जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ. लिफ्ट का बटन दबाएंगे ऐसे, यहाँ पर भी एक है और यहाँ पर भी एक है. खुल गया, खुल जा सिम सिम. हमारा कॉलेज है 3rd फ्लोर पे, तो हम 3rd फ्लोर किक करेंगे. 3rd गो. बंद कर दिया दरवाज़ा. एंड इट इज़ लिफ्ट. बहुत गर्मी होती है, पता है. एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट को सिर्फ कॉलेज आने के लिए कितना ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. लाइक लिटरली सुबह उठो, ट्रेन पकड़ो, ट्रेन में झगड़ा होगा, वो अलग. पहुंचने के बाद इतना चल के आओ, और कॉलेज में अगर सो जाओ तो फिर क्या ही होगा. तो लाइक मेरा ऐसे हो रहा है कुछ. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द बेसमेंट of my college, and you can come by stairs as well. This is my classroom, and I can't show you inside my classroom because it is not allowed for me to show here. Okay, so I think lecture is started, and मैं रोज़ की तरह आज भी लेट ही पहुंची हूँ, और लेक्चर स्टार्ट हो गया अंदर. तो अभी मैं जाती हूँ क्लास में. दैट इज़ फॉर टुडे. हम मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में कुछ नए इंटरेस्टिंग के साथ. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, इफ़ यू रियली लाइक दिस वीडियो, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, एंड जॉइन माई इंग्लिश जर्नी. ओके, सो या मैंने आज आपको दिखाया मैं कैसे आती हूँ, लाइक कहाँ से आती हूँ, किस तरीके से आती हूँ, एंड ऑल दैट. सो या दैट इज़ फॉर टुडे. वी विल सी इन आवर नेक्स्ट. टिल देन, बाय.